Yes, my dear class 6, today we will read our lesson, The Echoing Green. It's a very beautiful poem that shows us the life full of happiness. It shows all the stages of life also. It is a joyful poem. The theme of the poem is man and nature. The poem focuses the joy and happiness of childhood. Even old people feel happy and fresh in such a company that they forget their worries, they forget their fear of death. The green fields, the chirping birds, the playing children remind old people their own childhood. In the last stanza, we find a sad tone where the echoing green turns to the dark green. It gives us theme of life and death. Actually, the poem is giving us the theme of concept of life and death. There we can see that there are three stanzas in the poem, and all these three stanzas give us the concept of three stages of life. So let's start the poem and then see in detail what the poem is telling us. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark and thrush, the birds of the bush, sing louder around to the bells' cheerful sounds, while our sports shall be seen on the echoing green. So, if you see carefully, the stanza gives us the concept of life. This stanza shows the life full of excitement, full of happiness. The sun is the symbol of life. It gives the happiness to sky and to all living things. Just imagine if there is no sun, what type of life we have then. So the merry bells that welcome the springs. All the birds sing, even if they are flying in the skies or even they are in the bush. All the birds are happy, they are singing, and they all are the symbol of spring. And spring is the symbol of life that is full of happiness, full of excitement. All the cheerful sounds, this all show the life full of excitement. And in that excitement, that the life that is full of excitement, there is also the sports of the children are going on, that is also the symbol of life. Now look on the second stanza. Old John with white hair does laugh away care, sitting under the oak among the old folk. They laugh at our play, and soon they all say, such were the joys when we all, girl and boys, in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. So if we see that second stanza, in that stanza we see that the old people, they are also sitting there, they are enjoying the activities of the children, and they forget their worries, they forget their problem, they forget their fear of death. That oak shows the shelter place of the old people. It also shows the experience of the old people. All the old people have the long experience of their life. The children who are happy, they are innocent, they don't have such experiences that the old people have. The old people know about death, they know they are going to die, but in such happy company they forget all their worries for some moments, and they also enjoy the life. Now look on the third stanza. Till the little ones weary, no one can be merry. The sun does descend, and our sports have an end. Round the laps of their mothers, many sisters and brothers, like birds in their nest, are ready for rest, and sport no more seen on the darkening green. So this last stanza have a sad tone also. This symbolizes the end of activities. Actually, this is the symbol of end of life. With the passage of The day when the sun descends, all the activities starts to die. All the people from the whole day's activity, they get tired. Everyone go back to the house. They take shelter in their homes. The children take shelters in their mother's laps. All the birds also turn back. Every activity of life just dies at the end of day, and actually it symbolizes the death very beautifully. The last line shows the sad tone of the poem and show the sad lesson that sports no more seen on the darkening green. This shows actually the end of life. So this is the cycle of the life. When the children's they are full of life, then the men grew up, they become young, they are full of life, they enjoy the life, they forget everything, even they forget about death. They don't remember, actually it is a reality, but the people forget about death. When they are young, they are full of life, they are quite busy in the activities of life, but with the passage of time, when they grow old, then it's the ultimate truth of life that we have to die. So the end of life, everyone has to face this one. Life is beautiful, but death is a bitter reality.